In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to use the Measure app built into your iPhone. On your iPhone, swipe down from the home screen and search for the Measure app. After app appears, you can launch it, or also you can search for the app in the App Store and download it. After you launch the app, point your camera at the object you want to measure. Tap the plus button to set your first point. Move your phone to the end of the object, then tap the plus button again to set the second point. The app will instantly show you the measurement. You can keep adding more points to measure different sections or angles. This works great for measuring furniture, walls, or packages. You can take a screenshot right from the app to save your measurements, or tap copy to paste them into notes, messages, or emails. The Measure app also has a built-in level tool, perfect for making sure pictures, cells, or surfaces are perfectly straight. And that's how to measure using your iPhone. It's quick, accurate, and perfect for when you don't have a tape measure nearby. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.